Hey, what's up guys? Today I've got a super handy trick for you. Ever wished you could use the Inspect Element feature on your Chrome browser on an Android device? Well, you're in luck, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. First things first, open up your Chrome browser on your Android device. You'll notice that, unlike on your computer, there's no Inspect Element option in the menu. So, normally, Inspect Element is something you'd find on the PC or Mac version of Chrome, but today, I'll walk you through enabling it on your Android device without any hassle. To check if you have Inspect Element option, open any link. For example, I am opening google.com. Then click on the top right 3 dots button. As you can see, you don't have any option to inspect. Now, to enable Inspect Element, we need to get a bit creative. Head back one step. Tap on the top right 3 dots menu and select the star option at the top. Here's where the magic happens. We're going to create a bookmark that will give us access to Inspect Element. Give your bookmark a name, like Inspect Element. And in the URL section, we're going to paste a special code. Don't worry, I've got the code ready for you to copy in the description. Once you've pasted the code into the URL section, hit the back button to save your changes. Now, let's put our new bookmark to the test. Open any website. I'm going with Google for this demo. In the top search bar, type Inspect Element. You'll notice that now, the star option appears under Inspect Element. Tap on the star option, and voila! You'll see a floating icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap on that, and congratulations, you've just enabled Inspect Element on your Android device. And there you have it, folks. Now you can easily inspect elements, check network resources, and more, all from your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy browsing.